Do you want to know how I get this beautiful shine on my Ritzy drop earrings? Keep watching and I'll show you. Let's get to sawing. Next, I'll use a sanding drum to sand over the area where the sprue was attached on my Ritzy earrings. I love using these little radial discs. They work so well when I'm sanding and polishing because they can get in all those little tiny areas and they just give such a beautiful high shine to my pieces. Check out my beautiful Ritzy earrings. They're so pretty.